What are the three black crows and the three white soldiers? Both of the patterns have three long candlesticks with small wicks or shadows. The three black crows include three consecutive bearish candles, while the three white soldiers include three consecutive bullish candles. In the three consecutive bearish candlestick pattern, you will find one candle is near the closing price of the previous candle. If you spot this pattern at the top of a trend, then it confirms trend reversal. The three consecutive bullish candlestick pattern has one candle near the high of the previous candle. If you spot one at the bottom of a trend, then it also confirms trend reversal. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to forex trading and chart analysis.